You are going to love the 2019 Infiniti Qx50. The Infiniti Qx50 is the perfect blend of luxury and power. You will be impressed with the Qx50's agile sports sedan-like handling. It comes with a very responsive steering and strong brakes. The Qx50 offers extremely high levels of safety and luxury, all with a sleek new design. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.